There's a need to establish a dedicated budget for ECDs at national and county levels, ensuring adequacy and reliability of funds allocated specifically for ECD programs. And the national and county governments also need to systemically provide continuous training and capacity building opportunities for pre-primary teachers, healthcare workers and other ECD stakeholders, focusing on nurturing care and child development. Bramwell Bwire was in Nyalenda slums in Kisumu and spoke to a family of an 11-month-old daughter whose teen mother left the country, leaving the child in the care of the grandmother.
That Tamia Copper is now an active 11-month-old girl is remarkable. When her caregiver, Mwajuma Zuhura, took her, Tamia had been found hanging by the bedside. The source of her miseries was constant squabbles by her parents, who were both young in age and marriage.
Tamia ni mtoto mzuri sana. Anapenda furaha na mchezo na kumwimbia. Hiyo ndio furaha ya Tamia.
At 5 months, Tamia was identified in the community by master trainer. She was emaciated as a result of severe malnutrition. Breastfeeding practices by her mother were not successful, since at the age of 5 months, her mother had already conceived the second child, and due to their cultural beliefs, Tamia could not continue breastfeeding as it will hurt the baby.
Kuzaa mtoto, miaka yake, siku zake na ilikuwa mbovu, na akapelekwa mpaka Nasar. Tukwenda Nasar, akatoka kule, akaingia kwangu direct. Kuingia kwangu direct, na tukakaa naye, kajaribu kumlishalisha ili apate hata maziwa ya kunyonyesha mtoto. Ambapo hapo hivyo tukakaa naye, sijui vile alipatana na huyo kijana sasa, mwenye alimpa mimba. Sasa ikawa sasa ni Tamia, ni mzigo ni kwake. Alikuwa anataka kuua huyu mtoto ili ule mwingine mwenye kwa tumbo awe salama.
And just like many others, the little angel story could have been a different one had it not been for the intervention by SCO ECD project. Tamia and her mother will later be introduced to this project that provides psychosocial support to the family.
The caregivers enrolled in the program have a capacity to implement the nurturing care, especially among their children 0 to 3 years. And when I talk of the nurturing care framework, I talk of the 5 components. That is adequate nutrition. We talk of good health, children accessing good health. We talk of children having responsive caregiving. We talk of giving children opportunity to early learning. And we also talk of ensure there is protection and safety to children, especially 0 to 3 years, because that is a critical stage for children development.
The support groups given to the age of 0 to 3 years mother have proved important in giving the women knowledge and skills in nutrition, early stimulation, positive parenting, exclusive breastfeeding, antenatal and postnatal care and hygiene.
Hii group imenifunza, tuseme immediately umeshika tu mimba hivi, inapaswa uende hospitali, ndo at least wanaenda wanakupima damu, of which tuseme sasa for example ulienda kama ukiwa kitu kama 8 months, na 8 months kuna wengine wana give birth at 8 months, so ile umepelekwa kwa OC, kupelekwa kwa OC hauna damu, haya mwili yako imedhoofika, sasa yani itakuwa tu na issue, utajiletea tu shida mingi.
Children up to the age of 5 are developing fast physically, mentally and emotionally. It is a critical time when parents may require help in understanding the individual needs of their children. ECD Networks, however, feels the only solution to these challenges is speeding up legal framework that focuses on matters ECD.
If we have gaps in policy, if we have gaps in financing, then the child's rights, he's infringed. He cannot get free education, he cannot get free medication, he cannot get protected if there are no funding to ensure that the right systems are put in place.
Welcome everyone.
Bramwell Bwire, KTN News, Kisumu.
Kiambu Governor